So, my friend, this is Amit. At JOSA counseling is going on, but many of you are not getting the good option. So, here I am with the CSAB counseling 2025 rank versus NIT triple IT JFA for lower branch. Means up to which highest rank you will able to get the college, that is NIT triple IT JFTI with any possible branch. You just want the tag, and CSAB counseling is quite risky counseling. It can take your money. You may have to drop for next year. You may lose your earlier seat of JOSA also. That's why I'm here to guide you completely. If you want, you can take my guidance also. There is a nominal charge for that. You will able to check the number also, but only for paid guidance, or in the description also you will get the link to join my guidance. But let's get started the video. I will discuss about the highest rank up to which you will able to get the seat this year. Total 3 round will be done, but up to second round, what is the realistic chance that I am going to provide you? But in third round, you can get at a little bit more rank also. So here I am going to provide you the complete information one by one. Top 5 NIT triple IT JPA if you are looking. Then for general 85,000, 95,000 for female, that is male and female NIT. Triple IT 43,000, because in triple IT only EC branch is the lowest branch. So it has high demand. GFTI 1.2 lakh. Now for EWS, before moving forward for this video, I would like to inform you that all the rank that I am considering here for EWS, OBC, SC, ST are general CRL rank. That doesn't mean you will not get the benefit of your category, because EWS is getting the same college at 90,000 also, whereas the general student are getting it 85. So you are getting the benefit of the category. So EWS 90,000 and 1 lakh for male, female, and triple IT 48,000, GFTI 1.4 lakh. OBC 95 and 1.1 lakh for NIT. Triple IT 50,000, GFTI 1.5 lakh. SC 3.2, 3.5 for NIT. Triple IT 1.3 lakh, GFTI 3.2 lakh rank. These all are CRL and general rank. ST 4.5 and 5 lakh. NIT triple IT 2 lakh, GFTI 5.5 lakh. Now I will discuss about top 10 NIT triple IT GFTI. Before that, let me inform you about the complete detail of my guidance. In the next section, you will be able to check the detail of my guidance. For all counseling across India, I will guide you so that you will be able to get the best out of your rank, and you will join the best possible college and branch by the end of this admission year. So hi friends, here I will introduce about my complete counseling guidance and mentorship to provide you the best possible college across India. All type of counseling I will guide you. JOSA counseling, Jack Delhi, CSEB, as well as Jack Chandigarh counseling. Here as other private engineering entrance exam like BITSAT, Manipal, VIT, COMEDK, AEEE, SRMJ Triple E, KIT, as well as lots of counseling will be done based on the private college BSET, as well as the LPU, and also MSc CET WBJ. So I will be guiding you for all entrance exam counseling process, and that is for choice filling, decision making, whether you should join this counseling or that counseling, which exam you should appear, whether you should go with this branch or that branch, because I will explain you the scope of every branch, syllabus of every branch, so that you will find your interest. It is not only counseling, but it is career counseling, so that your career will be better. Here you will get service like personalized choice filling, one-to-one call, message session, video session, Google Meet session through my app. I will be contacting with you, live session I will be taking with you, and all time I will be available whenever you want. You can text me, call me, all time I will be available. So hope you get my point. Now let's continue for top 10 NIT triple IT GFTI. General 1 lakh and 1.3 lakh for NIT triple IT 56,000, GFTI 1.4 lakh. EWS 1.1, 1.4 lakh. NIT triple IT 60,000, GFTI 1.6 lakh. OBC 1.2, 1.6 lakh, that is NIT triple IT 65,000, GFTI 1.8 lakh. These all are the data for lower band, not for CSA or EC. For CS and EC also I will provide you the data separately in a separate video, that is in the next video. For SC category 3.7 lakh, 2.5 and 4 lakh, that is NIT triple IT GFTI. For female in NIT you can check after slash. For ST 5, 3.5 and 6.3. This is for ST category, NIT triple IT GFTI respectively. Now I will discuss for top 20. So general 1.3, 75 and 2 lakh, that is for NIT triple IT GFTI male student. After slash you can check the data for female. If you want the doubt session just to confirm what are the possibilities, so that you can wait or you should join other college like VIT, Manipal, BITSAT, or any other option that you are getting, for that you can just pay 499. It is one doubt session you will get. After that, if you want, you can extend it for complete guidance also on the same day. Otherwise, if you will come later, again 499 for doubt session and 2000 or 3000 for the guidance depending on the requirement. Now OBC 1.6 lakh, that is NIT triple IT 85, GFTI 3 lakh. SC 4.5, 3.5, 6 lakh. After slash you can check the data for female student. ST 6 and 4.5 and 8 lakh, that is NIT triple IT GFTI. Now the turn is for lowest NIT, means anyhow you just want a tag of NIT or triple IT GFTI, means this year you want any type of college, then your general rank should be around 1.7 lakh and 3 lakh for NIT general male female, triple IT 1 lakh, GFTI 3 lakh, EWS 1.6 2.2 lakh. These all are realistic chance. I will provide you 100% surety and guarantee. Once you register with my guidance, then you will get the seat 100% sure. Once you register, I will explain you each and everything, what are the option and how you will get all the detailed procedure. I will discuss with you one to one until your final admission. I will guide you. So for OBC 1.7, 1.3, 4.5, SC 5, 4 and 7 lakh, and for ST 7, 5.5 and 10 lakh. In case of triple IT, the rank is low because in triple IT lower branch means EC, not any other branch, but in NIT and GFTI lower branch means mechanical, civil, chemical, mining, those branches are. So this was about the complete information regarding NIT, triple IT, GFTI highest rank up to the second round. There will be 3 rounds this year, so even if your rank is little bit more than whatever I am telling you, you can get the seat, but you have to do the counseling very carefully. So hope you get the complete information regarding the CSAB counseling cutoff. Thank you.